My name is Ajmal. I'm from Eurostar Group of companies. I'm into ELP systems and I've been working since 2015 in perimeter security and CCTV. Talking about USPs of Paxton, it's basically the uniqueness of simplicity comparing to others. The installation wise, especially for single door controllers, wherever the client requires an immediate requirement of single door access control, it is very easy to implement Paxton and to configure it in the software side. And another major thing what I have experienced is it goes for years without any issues once if you install. No issues at all. So the build quality, the software, all are very stable. So the only thing which I can come out with is the stability of the products plus the software, ease of installation and software. Paxton majorly I worked on is on warehouses. When client requires one or two doors, we can install it, but the system will be already implemented, software will be already implemented. So installation of single doors, where in a big warehouse or a big system, it's easy to use Paxton. I would recommend to Paxton and to upgrade to number of doors where you don't need any additional license or additional separate hardware modules or to implement. You just need a controller for that's it. You can add the door system. So that is one good thing about Paxton. And for stability wise, for big sites, for huge sites, stability, if they need stability, they want it to run for another 10 years, 10 plus years solid, I would highly recommend Paxton. So any big sites, any big systems or anything, I would highly recommend Paxton. What I love about Paxton, we came out to know about Paxton is like when I visited a site, then I asked them how long since you have installed Paxton. They told it it's been 12 years. So that is how I fell in love with Paxton. So it's like 12 years solid without any issues, and the technology is also almost same, but yet compatible after 12 years also. So that is the best thing about Paxton. Like nothing has changed. The hardware has nothing much changed, but yet it is compatible, working fine in the present age. I would highly recommend Paxton to all the big players in the game. For the big sites, for stability, for a robust system, I would highly recommend Paxton. For all the high level players, Paxton is the best solution in the market.